everyone, did you know that there has been a significant boost in the digital health market since 2010? And why not? Digital transformation is the way to improve patient care, greater transparency, better production, reliable supply chains, and quality drug development. According to a report by Statista, 74% of respondents suggested that the COVID 19 pandemic has accelerated digital transformation in the pharma and healthcare sector. So here are some industry specific examples of the digital transformation of the pharma sector. The first one is 24/7 virtual care. Pharma companies need to achieve broader engagement with patients from multiple touch points of the patient care process. This is where digital technologies like AI ML can provide 24/7 virtual care. Using sensors and mobile apps can enable unique patient care customized to their specific needs. Second one is digital health offerings. Health offerings have been significantly contributing to the digital transformation of the healthcare and pharma industry. These offerings mainly include software as a medical device SAMD, mobile medical apps, and wireless medical devices. And the third one is improved transparency and traceability. Miscommunications between health professionals cost around $11 billion every year. Using innovative technologies like blockchain, it becomes more transparent to transfer medical records and reduce miscommunications. Also, better traceability is something blockchain offering to pharmaceutical supply chains. The fourth one is automation in manufacturing. Automation has reduced healthcare administrative transaction costs by $122 billion annually. An example includes using automation in the drug manufacturing process. Robots can be used to mix chemicals and pack medicines, reducing human errors and the risk of contamination and biohazard. And the last one is clinical trials. Another example of digital transformation is clinical trial expansion within the pharma sector. Technologies like wearables and ingestible sensors are breaking traditional clinical trials. Coupled with the internet and social media use, mobile technologies can benefit clinical trial integration. So these are the ways digital transformation is transforming the healthcare and pharma industries. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and share it. Thank you.